So this first quarter, I've closed 7 transactions. Had a pretty good first quarter. My goal for this year is 25 transactions. This will be my second full year in real estate. But can I be honest with you? It's been a really slow few weeks. And I'm setting up for the next quarter, but man, the phone is not ringing. The leads are not coming in. So what should I do? What should you do when it's slow and the leads are not coming in? Let's find out. What's good? My name is Sean Slaughter, real estate agent and investor. And today I want to talk about what to do when the real estate market is slow, or maybe the real estate market is hot and just your leads are coming in slow. Before I even get started, be sure to check out this video on the 6 things that you must do within your first month as a real estate agent. This will set you up for success. You also want to check out the 24 transactions in my first 16 months as a real estate agent. I think that'll give you some insight into how I did 24 transactions within my first 16 months as a real estate agent. As a real estate agent, your first job, your number one job is lead generation. I don't care what anybody else tells you, because without leads, without people calling you, without people asking you to help them sell or buy a house, you don't have a business. So your first job is lead generation. Then of course, once you get that lead and then that lead becomes a client, then your job changes. But every single day, your number one job is lead generation. So if the leads are coming in slow, just like my leads are coming in right now, I'm probably not doing the greatest job. So here's some things that I do when the leads are coming in slow. Number 1, you need to network. There is no such thing as a secret agent when it comes to real estate. You have to be the man or the woman about town. And this doesn't mean that everybody in town knows you, and maybe they do. But if you live in a big city, that can be very, very hard. You have to be the man or the woman in your circle. So what does this mean? How do you get connected to people within your circle, within your sphere of influence, within those that are within your community? Well, one of the first things you can do is attend community events. So there are community events here in Virginia, such as racial reconciliation or racial justice meetings that I might attend. There are other entrepreneurs that actually throw business networking meetings that I'll attend. The whole idea is to get connected. Business luncheons. The people that I use for home inspections throw business luncheons maybe every quarter. Attend those luncheons. Even events that interest you. I was at the gym this morning and a guy came up to me and he said, "Hey, what are you working out for?" And I'm like, "I'm not working out for anything. All right, I'm just trying to stay in shape." So then he said to me, "Hey, have you ever thought about joining the 30 and up league for like track and field?" And I was like, I never even heard of that. And he said, "Hey, I'm 50 years old. I do hurdles. I do high jump. I do triple jump. And I was a 3-sport athlete in high school, and I played college football as well on a full scholarship. So I'm always trying to stay in shape. Love playing basketball." Not only was it something that I would be interested in, just so I can stay in shape and compete, but I can also meet other people that are doing the same. This is why some of the richest guys, CEOs, presidents, vice presidents of corporations love playing golf. Golf is not just something that they enjoy doing, but it's also a way to connect. Because the reality is that people don't hire the best person in the community for a job. You don't hire the best plumber when your toilet gets stopped up. You hire the person that you know or the person that's been recommended to you. You want to be one of those people that others know, so that when it's time to sell or buy a house or do some kind of real estate transaction, or if somebody needs some real estate information, they can call you. Be the person around town. Another idea that I got from somebody on social media, I can't remember who it was, but they said, go to lunch at the same place for 30 days straight. Then go to lunch elsewhere at another place in your city or town for 30 days straight. And then after those 30 days, maybe go to lunch there every quarter. Now, first and foremost, I was like, oh Lord, I'm gonna be 800 pounds, by the time I finish doing all these lunches, you know what I mean? But the idea was, if you go there for 30 days, you're gonna meet most of the waiters, the owner of the establishment, the person that runs the bar, whatever. You're gonna make your face known. They'll get to know you. You'll get to know them. Maybe there's some business there. And after that 30 days, not only will you be well acquainted with many of the people that run the restaurant, then from that point, you only have to go once a quarter. And when you show up, it's, hey, Sean, how are you doing? I ain't seen you in a while. It's a great idea. And maybe if you want to kind of watch your weight, just eat salads and drink water. All right. But it's a really, really good idea. Just make yourself a person that is known around your city and your town. Number 2, personally develop. Now, this is something that you should be doing every single day. But honestly, when it's really, really busy, I don't have time to do a lot of these different things. Here in Virginia, we have something called RAIN, the Real Estate Information Network, particularly here in the Hampton Roads area. And they have trainings. And so I'll attend some of those trainings. A lot of the trainings are online. You can watch them online, take notes. They're great trainings. Learn about your purchase agreements. Learn about different agreements that you maybe never even use. Secondly, your Realtor Association training. So again, here in the Hampton Roads, we have what's called HRRA, the Hampton Roads Real Estate Association. And they have fantastic trainings. So educate yourself. Make sure that you are sharpening your sword, because your sword can get dull. Sharpen your sword so that when you are working with clients, because you're educating yourself and personally developing, you can just be the most informed agent, which makes you seem professional and sharp and all those type of things that your clients will love about you. Additionally, coaching and learning resources when it comes to that personal development, podcasts and videos. And so you may want to go online and look up videos about social media engagement, how to best build your YouTube channel, watch real estate agents, see what they're doing in 2022 or whatever year it is you're watching this. Continue to educate yourself, continue to get coaching. You can coach yourself through videos and podcasts. Listen to podcasts, listen to coaching podcasts, just educate yourself. Listen to podcasts outside of real estate. For instance, I listen to a lot of personal development podcasts. I read a lot of personal development books. I read a lot of books on sales because really that's what we're doing. I read a lot of books on marketing. So whether it's real estate or not, just sharpen yourself. Now I do this on a daily basis, but when it's slow, I'm able to dive in a little bit more. Also learn new marketing techniques, particularly on social media. If the leads are coming in slow, then you need to learn how to market better. And so there are always new marketing techniques, new strategic ways that you can get your pipeline full so that your quarter won't be slow like mine. Number 3, market yourself. Market yourself via Facebook ads, Instagram ads, do live webinars, do Q&As, send direct mail, door hangers in your neighborhood. You need to get your name out there. People need to know that you are ready to represent them. Out of sight, out of mind. The funny thing about it is you would think that your friends or your family would be constantly, if anybody comes up to them with a real estate question, or if anybody comes up to them that wants to sell or buy a house, they would send them to you. But the funny thing about it is people are not thinking about you. You know what people think about 95% of the time? Themselves. You need to be marketing yourself, putting out real estate content, whatever it is. You need to be front of mind with your sphere, with your community, with those that are within your circle and your radius. I read something the other day where this real estate agent said that she tries to contact her sphere, connect with her sphere 33 times a year. How many times are you connecting with people that you know, that you sold houses to, that you go to church with, that you go to the gym with throughout the year? You need to be talking and touching those people in some way 33 times. In whatever way you do it, online or offline. But again, this is your job. Your job is to generate leads. Number 4, hone in on your niche. It's revolutionary. So there's 2 books that I'm reading right now. One is called YouTube for Real Estate Agents. Really, really good. And the other one is called Traffic Secrets. Both of them talk about your niche. Your niche are the specific people that you are targeting that would love to do business with you. You don't need to market to 10,000 people. All you really need to market to is 1,000 people. And realistically, all you need to do is market to is 100 people. Now, what am I saying? Do you only send marketing stuff to 100 people? No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is, in your marketing, if it reaches 10, 20, 50, 100,000 people, that's great. All you need is 1,000 people to be really, really interested in your stuff. If 100 people are contacting you to help you buy or sell a house, you are killing it right now. You are doing your thing. All you really need is to market to 1,000 people. So, who are you trying to reach? Are you trying to reach military people? Here in the Hampton Roads area, we have military people that are moving in and out. So are you trying to reach military families? Are you trying to reach first-time home buyers? Are you trying to reach families that are upgrading? Are you trying to reach boomers who are selling their homes and downsizing? Are you trying to reach the luxury market? Who in the luxury market are you trying to reach? Families in the luxury market? Are you trying to reach young tech people in the luxury market? You really need to hone in on that niche. One of the cool ideas that I got out of the book Traffic Secrets is that he talked about this company that actually has an avatar for their niche. And this avatar has a name. And whenever they are putting together their marketing materials or whatever, they say, will this, let's just call it Joan, will Joan like this? Or maybe your niche is a family. Will the Brown family like this? And that is how you specifically are aiming at a niche. Now, please don't take this as you're excluding people. No, I will buy or sell anybody's house, all right? But the reality is that people are drawn to you because of who you are, your personality, what they like about you. People want to work with those that they like. When you're honing in on your niche, you're honing in to people that would be attracted to you anyway. And you're excluding those that don't want to work with you. Begin to develop your niche. Who is your niche? And then take your website and your marketing materials and everything that we've just previously talked about and begin to focus it on that niche. Number 5, reconnect with your sphere, particularly those that give you or gave you business. Who are the people that you know that are well connected to other people? Who are the people that have given you business in the past? Who are the people that you've closed a lead with and they've given you another number or two? Reconnect with those people. Ask for referrals. Hey, do you know anybody that is looking to buy a house or wants to sell their house? Particularly those who like you and are looking to send you business, and maybe they're just not thinking about you right now. You should be connecting with them on a consistent basis. Take them out to lunch. One of the things that I'm doing is I'm taking those connectors out to lunch at least once a week. Or those people that consistently are giving me business or are thinking about me, I'm taking them out to lunch. Number one, because I just like them. I want to hang out with them. I want to learn from them. I want to chat and catch up. But also, these are folks that are thinking about you. They like you. They really, really want to help you. And last but not least, ask your brokerage for leads. Now, if you are a new agent, this is something that you're probably doing already. I did this when I first started, but to be very honest, I try to limit my brokerage leads just so I can work my own database. If you watch my other videos like I told you about, you'll see that within my first year when I did 19 transactions, 5 of those were my brokerage leads, which was fine for me. And I'm trying to lessen that because, you know, brokerage leads takes more money out of your pocket. And I don't want more money coming out of my pocket, right? But when it's dry, take leads from your brokerage. I literally just came back from a listing. I called my brokers, like, look, I need a lead, shoot me a lead. They gave me a lead. I went with the guy to go see the house on Wednesday. He wanted his son to see the house. I went with him again today, this morning. He wants to put an offer on the house. I'm just waiting for the pre-approval. We'll put an offer in. Look, I really hope that this helps you drive your leads up, makes you a person about town, helps you to really hone in on your niche, educating yourself, getting more informed, putting yourself in front of people through community events and business luncheons and networking events. You are an entrepreneur. You are in charge of your business. Nobody else is responsible for your business but you. All right? I love you guys. This is the House of Motivation, the place where inspiration lives.